Curious about the fuse box location and diagram for the 2026 GMC Terrain? Wondering where each fuse panel is and what its functions are? This guide answers all your questions, helping you locate and understand every fuse easily. Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment fuse box in the 2026 GMC Terrain distributes power and protects high current circuits for essential systems like the engine, transmission, cooling, and fuel systems. It ensures safe operation by preventing overloads and enabling reliable control of critical components. Instrument panel fuse box. The instrument panel fuse box in the 2026 GMC Terrain powers and protects interior electrical components such as the infotainment system, climate controls, power windows, seats, lighting, and dashboard electronics. It ensures the safe and reliable operation of driver and passenger comfort and control features. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.